Alright guys, made it to Uranus Fudge Factory in Uranus, Missouri. Here on Route 66. It's a Sideshow Museum. Pretty exciting. Check out this old Phillips 66 fuel truck. Brownell, Kansas. Let's go in here to the Strange Museum. Check this out. Alright, so we're here in the Museum of the Strange. What do we have here? Pickle Punks. This is a two-headed bull shark, two-headed goat, two-headed pig, can't really see that. It's supposed to be a two-headed alligator snapping turtle. So this is supposed to be like a half crocodile, alligator, half person. Interesting. Looks like I don't know if it's like a cow or a horse head. I'm really bad with animals. Maybe a horse head, like a unicorn cutting out of its forehead. Tallest man. That's 9 feet.
Okay, let's take things up a notch and bring out the Tom Cruise. You guessed it, Tom Cruise.
Missouri legend.
My hoodie is nearly the same height as myself. And when we see Cruise standing beside Wardlow, well, enough said. What we need is a tall actor. And the first name that springs to mind is Big John Wayne. Now we're talking. Or maybe not. The Duke in nearly 6'4" would be amazing. Those barely button. So what about a real guy
Waldo
around the world? Andy Misanov. Whilst in the wrestling ring, Andy would have made me sweet on Wardlow when it comes to stature.
Robert Waldo.
Just to look eye to eye with him. Basketball is just huge variables. So let's take the tallest ever basketball player.
Electric chair.
Oh, okay. That's kind of crazy.
Two-headed monkey. One head liked bananas, the other liked plantains. Wow. Sea turtle shell. Shrunken heads, also known as Tenstus from the Hivoro tribe. Shrunken heads were ritualistic, if I can speak, war trophy created by boiling down the severed skinned head of an enemy and tanning it to prevent the spirit of the dead from taking revenge. The process, not the finished product, was the important part. The same process will also shrink a cow's head. Wow. Look at all these shrunken heads. This is crazy. Couple alligator heads, some piranhas, some more shrunken heads up there. Wow. Bigfoot. Kind of thing there about Boggy Creek. Falk, Arkansas. I'm hoping I'm saying the name of the town right. Home of the Legend of Boggy Creek Falk Monster Festival. I remember watching an Expedition X on that. I think it was season 8 or 9, I can't remember. I'll have to check on that. But it was a really good one. And check out some of these skulls. I like the extended head, or the elongated skulls. Mummified reptilian primate. The two-headed goat.
What are you doing here?
Guess this is the swamp thing. I don't know what that is, but it is. It's ugly. One horn sheep, goat. Sorry. It's a unicorn. The Ragitator. The one backwaters is a big pine river, just located less than a mile from Uranus. There was a small colony of critically endangered radigators. Not only do they have powerful jaws of alligators, their venom has been known to cause dementia and extended periods of uncontrolled farting.
Surprisingly enough, you can find the body of one we have on display right here in Uranus. It's Uranus Sideshow Museum. What is a Uranus? Well, it's a goat side.
Check out this hot dog putting some ketchup on himself. Cool wagon wheels. Got a T-Rex. So, fire truck here. And where year this thing's from. Got a giant stuffed teddy bear. Driving the fire truck. Oh, look at that. Double-decker bus called the Funkyard. The Funkyard or Funkyard? It's pretty cool. Got the map of Route 66 painted along the side. Got the skeleton driving.
You saying the wasps are gonna bite too, baby?
No, man,
This
they
is
stay.
cool.
I was doing a thing. I was doing a bit.
You already looked up here?
Oh, this is so cool. Got the Uranus City Jail. Over there, the general store.
Wow, this place is pretty impressive. Lots of different snacks. Let's see what else. Some candy. Got moonshine still up there. What else we got over here? So we got some moonshine. Definitely interesting. Some coffee mugs with some and some Route 66 paraphernalia, magnets. Pretty neat. Nice some shirts. Thank you, that's great again. We have a plethora of shirts here. Some more Route 66 stuff here. I mean, it's pretty neat little general store / gift shop. Garden gnome there, giving California Heidi. Yep. Alright, well, we say we get out of here and take a look outside.